everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Princess Jonalyn and I'm coming with you with another cooking video. You guys wanted to see how I make my picadillo. I always get questions asked like on Instagram, so I decided to do this one next because my son wanted it anyways. So yeah, like I said before, this is like the non-traditional, easy and fast way to make picadillo. I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook whatsoever. I barely started learning how to cook, so don't come for me in the comments like, oh, it's missing this, it's missing that, or that's not how you do it, because honestly this is the way that works best for my kids and my family. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I make my picadillo, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the ingredients you're going to need is some ground beef. That is like the star of the show. And then you're going to need whatever vegetables you want to add to the ground beef. We like to add potatoes and corn, so that's what we're going to be adding to ours. You're going to need some tomato sauce, a little bit of bouillon, chicken bouillon, some garlic salt, some seasoning salt. You can get the Lori's kind, of got the off-brand one. And we're going to add all this on top of white rice. So it's your choice if you guys want to eat it by itself or on top of rice, but we like it on top of rice. So yeah, these are the only ingredients that you are going to need. And honestly, you really don't need like these two, like the chicken bouillon and the seasoning salt, but I just like to add it for flavor. But yeah guys, let's get this video started. So the first thing that I like to do is peel the potatoes and then cut them. And we are going to be using 3 of the large potatoes. I'm going to pick out like the biggest ones and use 3 of them. Okay guys, so once we have our potatoes peeled, what we're going to do is start cutting them. And what I like to do is I like to cut it in half, right down the center, and then cut each slice one more time down the center, so you get 4 different parts. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is slice it down the center again, one more time in the middle, and then the other side. And then that's when I like to chop them into like little cubes. And you guys could have yours whatever size you'd like, but this is the size that my kids love. So you're left with like these little cubes. So just like that. So one down the middle, one on one side, and then one on the other side, and chop. So just like that, you're left with these little cubes of potatoes. We are putting the ground beef to cook now, and this is when we're going to add our ingredients. So the main ingredient is the garlic salt. So you're going to add some garlic salt. I like to kind of cover the whole top with garlic salt. And then we are going to add a little bit of the chicken bouillon. Just a little bit. And then we are going to add some seasoning salt. This is kind of like the Lori's. I got the off-brand from the Dollar Tree. Just a little bit of that. And we are going to let it cook and let it brown. So I'll come back when it's almost done. So now is the time to cook your rice. I'm going to be using a rice cooker because I cannot cook rice for the life of me. So I'm going to be using this rice cooker, but you guys could cook the white rice however you'd like. And this is optional. This is only if you'd like the white rice on the side. So I'm going to be making 2 cups of rice. Once the meat is almost entirely cooked, you can still see a little bit of the red. This is when you're going to want to add your vegetables. And like I said, we are going to be using potatoes and some corn. But you guys can add whatever you'd like. I've seen people add onion, I've seen people add green beans and carrots. So this is the time that you want to add all of your veggies. So I'm going to be adding the potatoes first. And then I'm going to be adding the corn. Let me take the water out. Be adding the corn, and I'm going to be taking out, I took out all the water already. So we're going to add the corn. So the reason I like to add the vegetables before it's completely cooked is because I want the vegetables to cook at the same time as the meat. So I really want the potatoes to be nice and soft. That's how my kids like it. So what we're gonna do is mix it all together, and we're gonna add the lid so that it can, you know, close the steam in and cook the potatoes really, really well. For my last step, all you're gonna need to do is add some tomato sauce. So I'm gonna be adding this whole can. This is a 15-ounce can. And I used about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I didn't use the whole thing because I'm gonna be using it for like other stuff. So yeah, just add the tomato sauce, and this is the last part. This is what makes it so yummy. Now we are going to mix it all together. And once we mix it all together, we are going to let it cook for another about 10 minutes covered, so that the veggies again cook completely, because you don't want any hard like potatoes or anything. So we're gonna let this cook for 10 more minutes, and then it is going to be ready. Okay guys, it is finally ready. It looks so delicious. Sorry, got a little foggy. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how we prepare our picadillo. We like it on top of rice, so it's super easy. Now I'm gonna show you guys how we eat ours. Ooh, that was so cool. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of rice. And special thanks to my aunt for getting me this rice maker, because I cannot cook rice for the life of me. I don't know why. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of rice, and then all we're gonna do is add some of the picadillo right on top. And this is the way my kids love to eat it, my husband loves to eat it, and I love to eat it. But like I said, you guys can totally use bread instead. My husband was thinking about making like, what is it called? Tortillas. But we love to eat it on top of white rice. So this is what we are going to be eating for dinner. Okay guys, so here is what it looks like. I cannot wait to eat it already. I know my son is waiting. He's like, is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? So yeah guys, let me know if you guys like this recipe. I know it's super easy, and I know it's not traditional whatsoever, but this is the way that works for me and my kids, and it's super yummy. So yeah, let me know if you guys recreate it. Don't forget to tag me and let me see your recreations, and let me know what you guys add or what you guys eat with it, and let me know in the comments what recipe you guys like to see next. I know people said enchiladas or chilaquiles, so yeah, let me know. I'd love to recreate anything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.